Guys, welcome to BearBull. Guys, in this video I will teach you how you can merge two names in a Google Sheets, okay, or in other words how to concatenate the two text strings. Okay, so let's click on this cell where we want the answers, then click on this function button, then we will click equals to, then we will write concatenate. Here we go. Now we will click on the first string, then we will insert the second string. We will click on the second string, and here. Now the problem is that there is no space in between the two strings, and of course we will want the space between alpha and bravo. So what we will do is that we will click again on this formula bar. Let's click it. Now here, before the first comma, what we will do here, before this first comma, what we will do is that we will add inverted commas here, then we will add space, then we will again add inverted commas, of course, then we will add a comma here. Now as you can see that if this is the first string, of course you have to remove the space. Now as you can see that this is the first string, then goes a comma separator, then inverted commas with spaces, then again a comma, and then the address of the last string. So let's click it and let's see what happens here. Here you can see that it did concatenate because we didn't inserted a space. Let's insert this space, and now we can see that it's alpha and bravo and there is space in between. I hope you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel for more tweaks. Thanks for watching.